Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then hi, this is Adya. Today I'm going to show you how to do this easy soft smoky glitter liner look with very few and easy steps. So without any further blabbering, let's just get into the video. Starting with my moisturizer, I am dotting it all over the face and neck area and massaging it into my skin. Remember, if your skincare is properly done, your makeup will look flawless. Next up, I am taking the Max Fix Plus Radiance and spritzing it all over my face and letting it dry down for a few minutes. Then I'm taking my pore minimizing primer from Sugar Cosmetics and applying it on the areas where I have open pores and gently patting it down into my skin to fill those up. See, it instantly blurs out the pores and make it look so smooth and matte. Now I'm taking the orange color corrector by Miss Claire and applying it on the areas I have pigmentation and dark circles, and then I'm taking a damp beauty blender to blend that all into the skin. Next up, I'm taking my Maybelline foundation, shaking it up and taking 1 to 2 pumps of it and dotting it all over my face. Taking the same damp beauty blender, I am blending it all into my skin. Always remember to use a gentle dabbing motion and never drag your beauty blenders. Then I'm taking the Forever 52 concealer and applying it under my eyes, bridge of the nose, my chin area and on my forehead and blending it all with the same damp beauty blender again. Then I'm taking the Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline and with the help of a fluffy powder brush, I am setting my under eye area and the rest of my face to lock in my base. Now I'm taking the Savannah Colors Double Exposure eyeshadow palette in the shade 05 and I will work with some brown shades today to create a very soft smoky effect on the eyelids. Using a blending brush, I'm applying a lighter brown on my eyelids, then I'm mixing the dark ones with the light color and applying all over my crease to define it and give some depth. I will repeat the same process for the other eye too. Look at that soft, beautiful brown smoky eyes. Now I'm taking this Game Changer product by Nykaa. It's their glitter gel liner. I will put the shade name in the description box for you guys. I'm starting to line my lids from the center to the outward area using a very small stroke and then to the inner side. See how it instantly changes the whole look. Next time I am taking the kajal from Nykaa and putting it on my waterline and also tight lining my eyes with it. For doing my brows, I am taking my favorite brow definer from Sugar Cosmetics and applying it all over my brows and filling it up. Now I am taking a coral lip cream as a blush and blending it all out with a blender. For the lips, I am taking the Maybelline Matte Ink lipstick in the shade 135. It is a very unique shade which I am obsessed with right now. It's a very long lasting lipstick and I highly recommend it to you guys. Next up for my lashes, I am using the Nykaa Like It Long mascara. At last, to set my makeup, I am again using the Max Fix Plus Radiance and spritzing it all over my face. I don't know why I love to take a bath in fixing spray, but it's the thing I'm obsessed with. So here is the final look, you guys. It is totally matte and very much transfer proof. I have not used any highlighter, but you can see the radiance on the face. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. Also, you can follow me up on my other social media accounts like Instagram and Facebook. The links will be there in the description. So then, bye bye.